Hey contractors, are you struggling with cash flow in your business? If so, make sure to listen to this episode because what I'm going to share with you is critically important to help you understand what the problem might be and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Vicki Suter and welcome back to the Profit Builder Unscripted. This week, I had a conversation with a new client of mine who was talking about this challenge that they had with cash flow and that they felt like there was that the cash in the bank was sort of this roller coaster of there would be money there and then there wasn't any money there. And then they were struggling to try to stay ahead and make sure that they had money for payroll. And then they were trying to collect deposits to make sure that they had money. And I said, well, so tell me a little bit about how do you know if you're profitable? And they said, well, it looks like we are. And he pulled up a profit and loss statement. And the profit and loss statement he ran was on a cash basis. And I said, so do you always look at it on a cash basis? And he said, yeah, that's just how my bookkeeper always runs it. That we always look at our profit and loss on a cash basis. I said, the problem with that is you don't really know how profitable you are when you run your profit and loss on a cash basis. If you have somebody who has deposits, gives you deposits on projects, then you're going to get money in, and you might think that if you're just looking at your bank balance, right, and then you go, oh, we have this cash in the bank, then you think you can spend it. But then like a couple weeks or a couple months later, the expenses that correspond with that deposit, the cash is now gone, but now you have to pay the bills. And what I explained to him, and this is what I would encourage you to really stop and think about, is do you know what your real profitability is? And the way to know that is by running a profit and loss statement on an accrual basis. And an accrual basis is basically, hey, I billed it, but maybe I haven't collected. But if I billed it, I earned it. And I'm talking about work that you actually produced, right? And then if the costs have hit, right, I've entered the credit cards or I've entered the vendor bills or the material bills, I have those costs in there. Maybe I haven't paid them all yet because I'm waiting for the client to get paid. But now I have a more accurate idea of what are my costs for the month. So getting a profit and loss on an accrual basis really gives you a better idea of how profitable you actually are in the operations of your business, as opposed to just the cash flow in your business. And let's face it, what you're in the business for is to be able to make a profit, right? And so if you want to start to have more control over cash flow, because profits follow, cash follows profits, then start looking at your profit and loss statement every month on an accrual basis so that you can really see, are you actually profitable? Because profits is the thing that's going to allow you to make distributions. It's going to allow you to make estimated tax payments. It's going to allow you to pay down debt. It's going to allow you to purchase assets. It's going to allow you to reinvest back in your business. It's going to allow you to build cash reserves. Having a clear idea in your head of knowing, hey, how profitable am I actually, is critically important to the success of your contracting business. And if you're somebody who isn't sure about, if you would like some help with this, would like to make this offer to you. I do something called a financial health assessment. And the financial health assessment can help you identify where is the place in my business where I could be increasing the profitability on my bottom line or building a more financially healthy business. And what I do is I do an analysis on your business. I get some data from you, and then my analysis helps evaluate your business based on previous history, based on industry standards, based on what a financially healthy construction business should look like, based on my 30 years of doing this work with contractors. And then I do that analysis, and then we sit down and we go through it. So if you're interested in finding out more about that, make sure I've dropped a link below for a link to my calendar where we can hop on a call and I can tell you a little bit more about it. There's no obligation. But what I have found is that when I do this with people, it is so eye-opening to help you understand, hey, how can I affect my bottom line? How can I increase my profitability? How can I think about cash flow and start to have more ease and peace in my business around cash flow, because there's also, as I said, net profits, cash follows net profits, but then what do you do with that? So then we talk about that as well, and about how do you be more intentional and purposeful in your contracting business in order to have the money when you need it in your bank account. All right, so feel free to, if you want to hop on a call with me, again, no obligation. It's just a discovery call. I can tell you more about it. There's a link below, and I encourage you to do that. All right. Thanks. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you being part of this community, and I look forward to seeing you next time on the Profit Builder Unscripted.